pulled photos off an older Canon camera and your system shows CRW files it can't preview? These are full quality raw captures from your Canon gear. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you viewing and editing these Canon RAW images with the best tools available. We're going to solve this CRW issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. CRW files are raw image files, captured by older Canon digital cameras using the camera image file format. They preserve the full unprocessed CCD or CMOS sensor data at the camera's native bit depth, retaining maximum dynamic range and color information for extensive post-processing adjustments that lossy JPEG compression would permanently discard. CRW files are raw image files captured by older Canon digital cameras using the camera image file format. They preserve the full unprocessed CCD or CMOS sensor data at the camera's native bit depth, retaining maximum dynamic range and color information for extensive post-processing adjustments that lossy JPEG compression would permanently discard. The CRW format has primary linkage to the Adobe Photoshop application by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows lacks deep raw processing features, so full access depends on compatible imaging software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your CRW file and choose Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If you still can't open the CRW file, it's okay. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, opening in Adobe Lightroom. Import CRW files into Adobe Lightroom. Using File, then Import, and navigating to the folder containing the raw images. Lightroom reads, Canon CRW files natively displaying full resolution previews with complete editing capabilities, including white balance exposure, tone curve, and color grading adjustments applied non-destructively. Next, editing in Canon DPP. Download Canon Digital Photo Professional free from Canon's support website. DPP provides optimized raw processing for Canon CRW files using Canon's own color science algorithms. Open CRW Files. For white balance correction, lens corrections, noise reduction and color adjustments tuned specifically for Canon sensor characteristics. Finally, converting to DNG or TIFF. Use Adobe DNG Converter to batch convert CRW files to the universal DNG RAW format for broader software compatibility and long-term archival. Alternatively, process CRW files in RAW Therapy or Darktable and export a 16-bit TIFF for maximum quality preservation or JPEG for web sharing and general distribution purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.